Hello, welcome to Lele's Artistic Jewelry Designs. Today we're going to be going over a kit that I got from Annie's Arts and Crafts. And this is the kit. It came in this package right here. Okay, and as you see it says Annie's. Came in two of these bags. And you see the round nose pliers. Okay, and that is the plastic container that it came in. So we're going to be going over each individual item quickly. So we got some jump rings, some brass jump rings, about 5 of them. Lobster claw clasp in brass, some small jump rings in brass. Everything is brass. All the components are brass except for the beads. Curved link chain. We got some eye pins. We got some French ear wires. Even got the stoppers that go to the ear wires. We got some beads. See how pretty those beads are? Very ornate beads. We got a tassel. A suede tassel with a brass topper on it. And we got some turquoise beads, as you can see, with a little hints of brown in there, a little white. So you can even add your own. Oh, and we have a crystal bead. That's pretty. Crystal faceted bead. The hole going through the center. Okay. Then the pamphlet. Let you know what all is in your kit. Young lady wearing the necklace. How you supposed to put it all together. The instructions, which if you look at it is pretty simple. Okay, then we have the earrings, how you put the earrings together on the back. So I think I'm going to start off doing this necklace first so I can go ahead and start making some jewelry. It won't be today, but we'll get it done. Since this seemed like a pretty simple necklace to make, but I'm going to add a couple of my own components to it to jazz it up. Probably even put some crystals in there. But this kit is from Annie's Arts and Craft Kit. Okay, I'll leave the link to where you can get it from in the description below. Once again, I'll give you all a closer up look at everything. Let me put it all together neatly here. You know me, I like being neat. Okay, so that's how it look. That what comes in the kit. And the kit, that's the name of the necklace, called Aria. The kit was $9.99 with a discount. I used someone's code that had bought this kit also on YouTube, and I forgot who it was, so I'm sorry if I forgot your name. But thank you for the code. Let me see. Credit applied. Let me see. So I got a discount on it. Normally, I think this kit will cost you about $20. Okay. Normally it will cost $20. However, you don't get that much for the $20. Now I can see paying $9, $10 for this kit, but nothing more than that. So I'm going to see what the next kit going to bring. If the next kit is not better than this, I'll just cancel my subscription. However, I am going to add some more components to this and some more beads to this necklace set and make it my own. Okay, so you all have a wonderful day. Be blessed. Go out and be a blessing to someone else. Don't forget to give this channel a thumbs up if you like the content. Also share it with someone. Subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll know when I put out another unboxing or start making some jewelry. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.